Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I'm going to solve for question number 3227 which is vowels game in a string. So now let's understand the question first. Here Alice and Bob are playing a game on a string. We are given a string S. Alice and Bob will take turns playing the following game. The conditions are if Alice turns game, she has to remove any non-empty substring from S that contain odd number of vowels. And if in Bob's turn, he has to remove a non-empty substring if it contains even number of vowels. One more condition is that the first player who cannot make a move on their turn loses the game. We assume that both Alice and Bob play optimally. We have to return true if Alice wins the game and false otherwise. The English vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So let's understand the question here. Here we are given a string LeetCoder. Alice can win the game as follow. So we will see why Alice win this game. The first turn will be Alice. She can delete the underlined substring in S, which is LeetCoder, because here LEETCO, which contains three vowels. The resultant string is S is equals to DER. Now the Bob's turn will come. He can delete the underlined string in S DER, which contains zero vowel. So the resultant will be ER. So now again Alice's turn will come. She can delete the whole string ER because each contains one vowel. Now Bob play fourth turn. Since the string is empty, there is no valid play. So we will return the false there. So this is the question. Now let's solve in the C++ language. So here simply I'm going to run a for loop. I'm going to run this loop from strings or to all the strings here. Then I'm using s.size attribute and incrementing it by 1. And I will check here conditions. If s of I is equals to a, or s of I e, s of I s of I o, s of I u. So here I have checked all the conditions in which there I have checked all the vowels. If any of the vowels will come, I will return true. And if any vowel is not coming, I will return false. Now I will run this code. So here there is an error. So I have written here a wrong spelling of size. I will correct it. So now let's run the code again. So as you can see, both the test cases are passed here. So now I will add one test case here by myself. I am going to write my name here, Vijay Patel. So now let's run this code again. So as you can see, the test cases that I have added is also accepted. So now let's submit this code. As you can see, I have successfully submitted the code in 3 ms and solved the question using O of n time complexity. Thank you everyone.